Where are we going, Genevieve?
We're going on a pirate boat.
So we are going on the boat to celebrate our friend's birthday, and we are 15 minutes late. But they cannot board the. But they cannot board the boat because she's having the flowers.
So we are at the Pirates shop right now, and you can see there are different kind of accessories, t-shirts, masks, wigs, skulls, tons of stuff. But we are here to buy our tickets to go to the Pirates ship.
Said you are in the company of pirates. Take it as you will. Welcome, Captain. By relatively sober, Captain.
I relatively speaking.
And he'd be 100% trained in CP. Make us by fire exits. It's all important to start beside the ship. All by rescuing firebucks and fire teams. All important to start beside the ship. And at the very, very start of the ship, we have a life raft reserved for all mates on board here except for a second.
And another performance by this beautiful pirate. Let's watch it.
See, I come from a long line of one-legged pirates, and let me tell you, it's very difficult to balance only one leg on these here wavy seas, alright? But I was able to defeat the captain of the leg snatcher batch who has been snatching my family's legs for the past 265 years. And thus, I stand here with you.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, Milan!
Cheers.
Cheers!
So you are having good time on the boat?
Oh my god, amazing! This is so lovely! And it's so pretty out there. You can see the sun.
After 75 minutes on the ship, we are near to our destination. Look at this beautiful sunset ships. It was absolutely an amazing evening.
Back in our city, Burnaby.
Yes, we are.
And look at her face. She's so happy because finally she can hear her own music. So where are we going now?
Love it. Now we're going home. We're going to my apartment.
We are going to Genevieve's apartment. Look at this gorgeous place. We are going to high rise. So I'm gonna show you the view from which floor? Fourth floor. Let's go to the fourth floor now.
Welcome.
So we are at Genevieve's place. Look at this gorgeous place.
Thank you. This is the kitchen area. It's full gonna turn on the light so you can see. That's where all the cooking happens, whenever it happens. So welcome to the kitchen. And my best feature about the kitchen is this. So this pulls out, and then you have like the exhaust
Wow.
when you're cooking. So this is pretty handy.
What other surprises you have in your home?
Well, behind you, this area is the fridge. So it looks like a cupboard. When you put it open, it's a fridge.
Cool.
This is the freezer, which I love.
Amazing.
Same for this side as well. So it's like 2-door fridge, 2-door freezer. So this is one of the cool gadgets that I love about this as well. And everything's built in here. I want to make this into like a wine cabinet where I have like different liquor up there. Still building that out. Yeah, I guess that's it. Gracias. Oh, the balcony is beautiful. You should definitely step outside.
My God.
Welcome to the walk-in balcony on the 4th floor. This floor has gym, party hall. You can walk on this, you can jump. This is basically a terrace.
I'm not wearing any shoes.
That's all fine.
Let's check out the view from this balcony cum rooftop and see how beautiful my city looks. It's time to wrap my video. I hope you like the vlog. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, show some love, share it, subscribe it, and end it with a reel. Stay safe and stay healthy. Love you guys.